In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable syncing on Gmail. Syncing keeps your Google World connected. When you turn on Sync in Google Chrome with your Google account, your bookmarks, history, passwords, and settings travel with you. Just as important, your Google services, like Gmail, recognize you automatically, so your inbox, labels, and preferences feel consistent whether you're on a laptop at home or a desktop at work. For privacy, only turn on Sync on devices you trust, such as your personal computer. If you switch between devices or ever reinstall Chrome, Sync can quickly restore your bookmarks, extensions, and settings. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You'll know you're in Chrome if you see the round red, yellow, green, and blue icon on your taskbar or dock. These steps are for the desktop browser, not a mobile app or another web browser. Next, look to the top right of Chrome and click the Profile button. This is the small circle that shows your photo if you've added one, or your initials if you haven't. Clicking it opens the Profile menu. Take a quick moment to make sure the account shown there is the one you want to use for Gmail and other Google services before you proceed. Now click Turn on Sync. You may see a blue button or a prompt that says Turn on Sync. Go ahead and confirm. Chrome may offer options to customize what gets synced, such as syncing everything or choosing specific items like bookmarks or passwords. If you're unsure, syncing everything is the simplest choice and works well for most people. After you confirm, Chrome connects your browser to your Google account. Your profile icon will indicate that syncing is active, and any changes you make, like saving a new bookmark or updating a password, will be available wherever you're signed in. Gmail will also stay signed in and up to date, so your inbox and settings feel the same across your devices. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If you're on a shared or public computer, it's best to keep Sync off to protect your data. On your own devices, you can manage or pause Sync anytime from Chrome's settings if you want to adjust what data is included. If you use separate personal and work accounts, consider keeping them in separate Chrome profiles so your synced data stays organized and separate. That's it. Open Chrome, click your profile, and turn on Sync. Your Gmail and the rest of your Google experience will now follow you securely and seamlessly.